Hello guys, welcome back once again. So today we are looking at square root of m exponent 4 is equal to square root of 4 exponent 4. So in this case we are solving for the value of m. Please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky and exciting questions together. Thank you for doing that. So from here, let's get rid of the square root. So to get rid of this square root, we need to square both sides, okay, of the equation. So and this square root will cancel this square root. So leaving m exponent 4 is equal to 4 exponent 4. So from here we are going to get m exponent 4 minus 4 exponent 4 is equal to 0. We can rewrite this as m exponent 2 into bracket exponent 2 minus 4 exponent 2 into bracket exponent 2, which is equal to 0. Okay, now let's record this formula. In algebra, we have a exponent 2 minus b exponent 2, which we call it difference of two squares, and is expressed as a minus b into bracket a plus b. So from here, m is our a and 4 exponent 2 is our b. So we are going to get m squared minus 4 squared, and then m squared plus 4 squared is equal to 0. Okay, from here we say that m squared minus 4 squared is equal to 0, and then m squared plus 4 squared is equal to 0. Let's solve this one first. So from here, this one we can express that m minus 4 bracket m plus 4 and is equal to 0. From here, m minus 4 is equal to 0, then m plus 4 is equal to 0. M is equal to 4, then here m is equal to negative 4. So let's solve for the second case too. We have, so from here you say that m squared is equal to negative 4 squared. Let's take the square root of both sides. So we have square root of m squared, which is equal to square root of negative 4 squared. From here, this will take off this. We have m is equal to, and then this we can write plus or minus square root of 4 squared multiplied by square root of negative 1. So our m is equal to this. We'll cancel this. Okay, so you get plus or minus, and square root of negative 1 is complex. So we say that our m is equal to plus or minus 4. So the values of m, we have m1 to be equal to 4, we have m2 to be equal to negative 4, we have m3 to be equal to the positive side of this, which is 4i. Sorry, this one square root of 4, this one will cancel this, so it will be plus or minus 4i. Sorry for that. So we are going to get 4i, and then m4 will give us negative 4i. So these are the possible values of m. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.